Hi, I'm Patricia Louise Nelson, attorney with Two Spruce Law in Bend, Oregon. There's a debate among estate planning attorneys about whether clients, like you, can actually use a revocable living trust to avoid probate. In theory, using a revocable living trust will avoid probate, but only if the client actually follows all the instructions. The argument kind of goes, revocable living trusts don't work because clients don't read them. That's not consistent with my experience. Clients don't understand them. Again, that's not consistent with my experience. Clients will let assets slip out of them over time or will not go through the process of getting assets into the trust in the first place. They might be right about that. So let's prove them wrong together. Here's what I think you ought to do. Number one, when you came in to sign documents, we gave you a letter of instructions. Read it carefully. Read it multiple times. Set a reminder on your phone every year to go back and revisit that letter to make sure that you have, in fact, not changed something in the past year that could cause a probate. If you have questions, call us. That's how that letter has evolved over 28 years of practice. Every time a client ran into a new issue that hadn't come up or wasn't addressed in the letter, we changed the letter to address that new issue. When you are working with your revocable living trust, over time, years, decades, things can slip out of the trust. The most common way a home slips out of the trust is the owner refinances the home or takes out a new mortgage or sells the house and buys a new house and forgets to put it in the trust. When acquiring a mortgage or refinancing your home, the lender may feel uncomfortable lending to a revocable living trust and may take the house out of your trust. They don't usually put it back in. And I won't know that happened. So I need you thinking about this. So you're thinking, oh, I did that loan. The lender took it out of the trust. Patricia said she'd put it back in the trust if I call her. Please call me. Please call me. We will print off a new deed and have you sign a new deed transferring ownership of your home back into your trust at no charge to you other than the cost of recording that new deed. Same is true if you sell a house. Get cash, make sure the cash goes into a bank account in the name of the trust until you can purchase your new home, and then purchase your new home in the name of the trust. Read that letter. We're here to help you. Give us a call.